morning. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today we had the pleasure of doing a ribbon cutting at the Tackle Shop Seafood Market here on River Road. And we're with the owners today. Hi, Leon. Hey, Jennifer.
Hello.
Please tell us, why did you open a seafood market?
Well, we've been steeped in commercial fishing for most of my life, and it was a dream that I had and something I always wanted to do. And we've created an avenue for every boater to get everything they need, including the boats, motors, services, seafood, and tackle, all at one place.
And bait.
And bait. Yes.
So, I mean, you make a good point, because this is not just a seafood market. You have a tackle shop here, you have a boat dealership, a repair yard, storage facility,
live bait,
and you even have some convenience items in here.
Sure.
So we're going to take a walk around, and I want to go see some seafood.
All right.
Okay.
Because you've got some, well, before we go in there, because I know it's a little bit, the coolers, we're going to have noise for y'all, so you're going to have to kind of just look. But what's your specials? I know you got a grand opening specials this week.
Our special for, we're having a grand opening drawing. It'll be a dinner for two, and it is a fish of your choice with lobster tails, shrimp, and scallops. And then the drawing will be held tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock.
So come in and register.
Yes, ma'am.
And then if you do a purchase, you can go over here to the balloon wall and get a discount, right?
Yes. There is either cash prize inside of the balloon or a percentage off of your purchase.
Wonderful. Now, where is the seafood, the Tackle Box Seafood Market? What's your address here?
It's 8210 River Road, Southeast, in Southport, North Carolina.
And your website?
MarineServicePros.Inc.com.
And your phone number in case somebody just needs to call.
910-363-4725.
Wonderful. Okay, well, let's go take a look at some seafood.
All right.
Because I know you were talking about the local seafood that you get from some of the local
Yes,
fishermen.
ma'am. We have about 18 local commercial fishermen that bring us seafood. We pack seafood. We can ship anywhere in the United States within 3 days generally. It is a convenience. All of our seafood, everything native to our area is fresh. We have a wide variety, over 25 different varieties of seafood, which is fishes and shrimp and lobster and crab legs and about anything you could want as far as seafood goes.
Plus, we have just now started carrying our fresh oysters, so we have selects, and we have the Stump Sound Select, and the Topsail Island clusters.
Oh, those look yummy. Now, if you guys are looking for a really good seafood dinner for Valentine's Day, definitely come out here to the Tackle Box Seafood Market.
Absolutely, and we're not only carrying just the seafood, we also have all your breaders, your tartar sauce, all the condiments to go with it, plus we have a little bit of fresh vegetables as well.
That's wonderful. All right, folks, so come out here to the Tackle Box Seafood Market at, what's your address?
8210 River Road, Southport, North Carolina.
Wonderful. Well, Leon, Jennifer, thank you so much for being with us today. Congratulations on your ribbon cutting, and we wish you much success here.
Thank you very much, Ms. Karen.
And come out here and get some seafood, get your boat repaired, get some tackle,
Anything you need for a boat.
anything you need for a boat right here on River Road. Thank you.
Thank you.